Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Becoming a pilot in Air Force is not an easy task. It requires quite a lot amount of dedication, strong will and courage to accept this challenging and rewarding role. An IAF pilot has to go through rigorous training that involves air to air combat while flying a fighter plane. The main responsibility of IAF pilot is to accomplish a mission that includes attacking the enemy base and rescuing soldiers, civilians, or doing both. In many cases, pilots are required to perform some peacekeeping missions as well. But in most cases, they are trained for fighting with their fighter jets. It is not that easy to join Indian Air Force as a pilot. There are four ways through which candidates can become an Indian Air Force IAF pilot. National Defense Academy NDA Combined Defense Services Exam CDSE NCC entry and Short Service Commission entry SSC are the courses that are the only path to get into IAF as a flying officer. While the three ways are considered to be permanent commission, the last one is a temporary one. Candidates can join NDA after completing class 12th. For other courses, candidates should be a graduate to apply. National Defense Academy NDA to join the flying branch of IAF, candidates should appear for National Defense Academy NDA exam. The NDA examination is conducted by Union Public Service Commission UPSC. The candidates who qualify for examination will have to undergo a 3 years training at NDA followed by flying training at Air Force training establishments. After completion of the training, candidates will be commissioned as permanent commission officers or can be posted as pilots at any IAF station. Combined Defense Service Examination CDSE apart from NDA, UPSC also conducts CDSE exam for men who aspire to become a pilot. After qualifying the CDS exam, candidates are entitled for admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy AFA. Same as NDA training, candidates here will have to undergo training in Air Force Academy. With completion of training, candidates will be getting the permanent commission officers or can be posted as pilots at any IAF station. National Cadet Corps NCC Special Entry coming to NCC Special Entry that is for only 4-man candidates having Air Wing Senior Division C certificate holder is eligible for National Cadet Corps NCC Special Entry. The joining will be done through the Directorate General National Cadet Corps or through your respective NCC air squadrons. This is the special entry case where the candidates will be given permanent commission officers post. Air Force Common Admission Test AFCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test AFCAT is open for both male and female candidates. This test is conducted by IAF for admission to Short Service Commission SSC for a term of 14 years. These candidates are hired on technical branches and ground duty branches. This examination is conducted twice a year. To become a pilot in IAF, candidates should be an Indian by nationality.